In the Catalogue node, you will also find the title block subnode, where you can also find some default title blocks. Using the various options here, we can customize these title blocks, but also create new ones too. On the left hand side, we have the list of available title blocks. On the right, we have the relating description and a preview of the selected title block. Using the toolbar options, you can add a new title block by creating it from scratch. You can duplicate an existing title block, therefore making a copy of a pre-existing one, maybe just for introducing a few minor changes. We can delete the selected title block, maybe put it in edit, and proceed to its customization, or maybe rename it.